Is there a seasonal pattern to soybean markets? Breaking news for investors. The question on many minds today is whether there is a seasonal pattern to soybean markets. With recent fluctuations in prices, understanding these trends is more important than ever. Let's get right into it. Yes, soybean markets do exhibit a seasonal pattern. This pattern is influenced by the crop's planting, growing, and harvesting cycles. Additionally, weather conditions and demand factors throughout the year play significant roles. In the United States, soybeans are typically planted in spring and harvested from late summer to early fall. This cycle directly affects supply availability and pricing. During the growing season, which spans from spring through summer, weather conditions like rainfall and temperature can impact crop development. For instance, favorable weather has recently led to expectations of larger crops, which can put downward pressure on prices. Just last week, supportive crop weather contributed to a decline in soybean futures. On the flip side, adverse weather can tighten supply forecasts, pushing prices higher. As we approach the harvest in late summer and fall, supply increases. This often leads to price declines as the market adjusts to the new availability. After the harvest, prices may stabilize or even rise again depending on export demand and stock levels. Export sales and shipments, particularly to major buyers like Mexico and Egypt, significantly influence seasonal price movements. Historical data shows that soybean prices tend to peak in late spring or early summer. They usually decline into the fall harvest period, reflecting the crop cycle and market anticipation of supply changes. In general, soybean prices rise in the months leading up to harvest due to supply concerns. After harvest, prices typically decline as supply becomes more abundant. However, weather conditions during the growing season and fluctuations in export demand can modify these seasonal trends. For investors, understanding these patterns can help make informed decisions in the commodities market. Keep an eye on weather forecasts and export reports, as they can provide valuable information on potential price movements.